When I talk about asset classes, you think about a true asset that you've
Okay.
invested in. Real estate. Another asset class would be you can be a hard money lender. This one's huge with real estate brokers and a lot of investors. It's the second highest thing that folks are going to use their accounts for is being a hard money lender, and we'll talk more about that of the
Yeah.
whys later.
Yeah.
Investing in precious metals, getting into syndications,
Mhm.
joint ventures. Uh, Fix and in real estate kind of branching out there because it's so multifaceted.
Yeah.
Fix and flips, tax liens for folks that are in, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, foreclosures, the race to the courthouse steps, how you can actually use these accounts for those wholesaling deals.
Mhm.
All of that is going to be set up as a real estate deal or a private loan, getting into promissory notes
Okay.
and things like that. Yeah.
Okay. That is so exciting. That's one of the, when we were chatting at first, I was so excited to hear that because
Mhm.
my head just like started going. And I was like, oh, this is
There's a
so
lot to it.